I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm back. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm back! I'm just kidding. I forgot to put makeup on my neck. Let me do that really quick. Because, with this makeup right here, you can definitely notice when I don't have any on my neck. Just gonna put a little in. That was a very poor job of putting on makeup on your neck, but hey, whatever, okay. Hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new to my channel, I make very fun, very helpful, very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. Ew, that was nasty. You will fit right in here. I understand that this year has been a struggle with me with being consistent, and I really kind of want to talk to you guys about that, but I feel like you guys don't really care about it. I mean, you guys don't really want to hear my excuses or whatever, but it has been a struggle, and I just want you guys to know I always want to film, but I never want to film when I'm not 100% ready, which maybe I should just, I don't know. I overthink everything. I'm kind of in a rush anyways because I have to go to work after this. Ooh, it's hot. I gotta take my... Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what the video is about. I mean, you already know. Obviously, I'm gonna be finally trimming my freaking hair. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I suck at trimming my ends. And if you don't, now you know. I really suck at it, although it's super important as a natural if you want to retain length pretty much, if you want to have healthy growth at least. And yes, I've had growth, but I'm probably going to end up having to cut off a lot more than I would have liked to. And my hair probably would have grown a lot quicker if I would have been trimming my hair at the recommended amount, which is every 3 to 4 months. But anyways, I'm gonna just do this. I've put it off forever. I tried to get my friend to trim my ends and record it, but I just realized, you know what, Jess, you've been doing your natural hair for about 5 years now, almost going on 5 years. You need to learn how to trim your ends. Like, you just need to learn. So I'm challenging myself to learn, and I'm gonna use some help, okay? Now, if you guys know, there's a very big OG natural hair guru that's been, like, she's a super OG that everybody knows. I'm gonna let you try to guess. And I'm just kidding. If you said it was Natural 85, you are correctamundo. I really appreciate all your videos. You are an inspiration to pretty much, I'm pretty sure, most of the natural girls on YouTube. So I'm going to be watching her most recent video on how to trim her ends. So hopefully it works out for me. She usually trims her hair often. I haven't. It's maybe been like a few months since I trimmed my hair. I wouldn't even like give that credit because I tried to trim my hair in twists and I didn't really know what I was doing. Maybe it worked, maybe, I don't know. But officially, like, I haven't had my ends trimmed, like really trimmed, in like maybe, ooh, like years, guys. It's been about maybe 1.5 to 2 years. Yeah, I know. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. So yeah, we're just gonna get into this because I do have to go to work in about 1.5 hours, so hopefully that's enough time to... I have my Grace Allier, I think that's how you say her name, cap. This is what I usually use to wear it to bed. And it's just satin lined on the inside. So we're gonna start right now because I'm just excited and nervous. If I trim off too much, it's just hair, it'll grow back. Okay, let's start. Oh, really quick, let me go get some leave-in conditioner because my hair is probably a little dry. Okay, here we go.
Hey guys, so as you can see by the title of this video, today we are doing a hair trim. I've been getting questions all the time asking me, can you update your trimming video? How do I trim my... Honestly, this is such an easy process. It's so easy. You're gonna need some shears. Go to your local beauty supply store, Sally Beauty, Ricky's, or whatever beauty.
I got mine from Target. Hopefully these are shears, right? Yeah, it says They're 6.5-inch shears. It even comes with like a little sharpener. But yeah, so here we go. Got the shears. Oh, also she has her hair in twist. I was too lazy to do all that, so I just decided that I'm just gonna end up separating my hair as I go.
This is the one that I'm currently working with now. It's from Oster. It's super sharp. Just know that the higher quality hair shear you buy, probably the sharper it's going to be. Be very careful. I have cut my fingers a couple times using these. I like to use a wide tooth comb followed by a detangling brush, followed by a thin tooth comb. I'm not really sure what you call these. That's not at all their proper name, but you know what I'm trying to say. I use all three of these.
I literally ran to the store just to do this video to get a wide tooth comb and one of these combs because I don't really ever, is that bad if I say I don't ever comb my hair? I usually detangle my hair with my fingers. I just recently bought this. I'm not showing you guys the other part because I haven't cleaned it since I tried it out, and so it has hair in it, and I know you guys are going to be judging me, but it's whatever. I just didn't feel like it, okay? So yeah, finally got the dimming brush. If you want to see a review on that, ew, you can still see it from like the outside. But if you want to see a review on this and see how I use it, maybe request it.
And then you might want some duckbill clips. Obviously, everything that I use.
I'm not using any clips. I'm just gonna be tying my hair up with these.
Hair is washed, conditioned, and in twists. I washed it last night. It is dry now. Usually I will trim my hair right after I get out the shower, but I didn't do that last night because I knew I wanted to come and do this on camera for you guys. Usually I'm styling my hair right after I wash it. So
I'm gonna separate my hair kind of.
I usually style my hair in sections, so it's just easier to trim the section and then style it. Trim the section, style it. You know, it just makes it a lot easier.
I'm just gonna go in really quick, because my hair doesn't have any like moisture in it right now because I just literally washed and conditioned it yesterday, put it in a hat, so bad I know, and just went out all day with this, so my hair needs a little moisture. So I'm gonna add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. It's my favorite leave-in conditioner. I only really use that one.
But we're going to detangle it again just to make sure we have a nice accurate trim. Oh my god, look at my hair. So I'm just going to kind of go from super wide to really tiny detailed. So I'm just detangling first with my wide tooth comb from bottom to top. A lot of you guys know that I like to finger detangle. This is one of the times where I actually do use hair tools to detangle my hair because you don't want to trim your hair, untangled hair. Oh my god, no. That would be a huge mistake. I don't want to do that. Next, I'm going to tangle with my brush. This is the second step. I used to trim my hair with the conditioner in my hair, and I think I did it before I showered. Now I just do it after, right before I style. Right now I'm trimming with just a little bit of leave-in on my hair.
Oh my gosh, guys, my hair feels so soft. Oh my gosh, look at that. Feels like it looks like it was just blown out or something. But my hair feels so soft. Yesterday I used a new, it's one of my newest favorite deep conditioners. I'm just still feeling my hair, and it feels like pillow soft. It feels amazing.
We're going with our little tiny tooth comb. Comb out all of the tangles. And here's where you really want to pay attention to what your hair feels like. This is how you're going to tell what you need to trim off, because the top portion of your hair strands are going to be nice and smooth when you comb through. And then once you start getting to the damaged end, you're actually going to hear the like follicles in your comb, and that's kind of an indication.
Can you guys hear that? Here's some ASMR for you now that I got a new mic. Here's a mini length check because you guys, a lot of people always want to know. It's like right under my boob, although you guys don't notice because I have small boobs, but it's right under it, okay?
So right here is where I feel a lot of resistance, and visually I can see the split ends. It looks to be about 1/4 of an inch of hair, so it's not a lot. When I trim it off, I'm taking my pointer finger and my middle finger, and I'm going to have them like scissors, like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And we're going to scissor the hair, so we have one finger on each side. Try to keep the hair above the knuckle. You'll get more control. Below the knuckle, the hair is going to slip down. So try to keep the hair above the knuckle. Once we get our resistance, which is right there, I'm going to just remove my comb, and I have my hair that I want to trim off. So I'm taking a mental note that I'm trimming off about 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to try and trim off the same amount every single time. Now make sure you keep your comb.
Whoa, she did that so fast. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling my anxiety coming through. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't freak out. It's just hair, girl. Like, but what if I, like, oh. Okay, whatever. It's just hair. It's a fresh start. So in 2019, I'm going to learn my lesson and start trimming my hair every 3 to 4 months. You got this, girl. Just start trimming. Just start trimming. Just start trimming. Just start trimming, trimming, trimming. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see, but this is... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel like I didn't do it right. What did I just do?
And if you have super sharp scissors, just be careful you don't cut your fingers. And that's it. Here's what I trimmed off. It's still in a nice straight line. I'm just gonna clip it to keep it nice and stretched as I work on the next one, and then just repeat the same process. Wide tooth comb.
Oh my gosh. I feel like that was a lot. I just feel like I should stop cutting, but I can't. Now I see what it is when people get scissor happy. Because I just feel like I totally just got scissor happy. And I feel like I'm missing some spots. Alright, this is how it looks. Does this look better?
Angled. You're gonna feel it go from smooth to damaged. I'm getting resistance right here, so this is where I'm gonna trim. And also, you know, visually look at it too. How does it look? Remember, not all resistance is damaged. Make sure you look at it. Really make sure it's not just the texture giving you resistance, it's actual damage. We took off.
I definitely think I took off more than the 1/4 of an inch.
First section, so I'm gonna kind of use
but
that
it's
as
okay.
a guide.
All right, we're just gonna go on this side, but I guess it feels a lot lighter and better. I don't know. Okay, my boyfriend's calling me. Hello?
Hi, babe.
Hey, everything okay? Guess what I'm doing?
What are you doing?
Cutting my hair.
A lot, or just trimming?
Just trimming, but...
This doesn't seem like a lot.
Yeah, because my ends are really bad. Like, I haven't trimmed my ends in, like, years.
That's how simple and easy it is and how quick it is. I just took off a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch
that makes
from
me
each
feel better.
section,
That's kind of
or
how
however
mine
much
are
you
looking.
need. Just fill out your hair, see how it feels. And if you're nervous about this but are really adamant to learn how to trim your own hair, just take your time with it and it'll be fine, so don't worry about it.
I have 30 more minutes until I have to leave to head to work. It's definitely shorter, but it feels a lot lighter and just, it feels good. It feels good, so I'm happy. I'm happy about this decision. Let's just try to hurry up. I can't really talk too much because I can't multitask, and usually every time I try to talk, I stop. So I just need to go through. That's pretty much how I do it. So yeah, let's cue this music and get to trimming, cutting, cut it. Need to cut it. Ew, what was that? What did it say? Something, you need to cut it. Them prices way too high, you need to cut it. Okay. Cut it. And my light is blinking, so if it dies, then I will just see you guys for my transformation. Because this is not a tutorial video, this is just me trying it out. Because I don't want you guys trying to do what I'm doing and you guys mess up, then you blame me, and then no. So this is just a tutorial. So if you want to blame anybody for this going wrong, then you just need to blame Natural. I'm just kidding. Don't blame her either, okay? You gotta do this at your own caution. I mean, it's just hair. I'm over here talking like you're freaking cutting off your arm or something. Like. Okay, there's somebody mowing the lawn outside, so please excuse that, but oh my gosh, I'm finished! I finally trimmed my hair. Alright, so I don't have much time to rave about it, I guess. Okay, my gosh. Okay, I need to go to work. I'm in a rush. I have to go, I'm gonna be late, but my hair is officially trimmed. It may not be perfect, but it's trimmed, guys. Does it look any better? I don't know. My hair, we will see the transformation when I actually style it. It's gonna be so much shorter, I already know. Alright, anyways, do you guys, I haven't seen my hair in an afro or whatever you call it, blown out. It looks blown out. But yeah, anyways, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks, Natural85. This really helped. Hopefully, I'm starting fresh now, going into the New Year's, and I will definitely be checking back in the next 3 months or 2 months, or just making sure I take better care of my hair. I have to go because I need to sprint off to work. It took a little longer than I expected, maybe because I had so much to trim. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you really soon. Don't worry, a lot of videos are gonna be coming. I just will see you guys really soon. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and bye.
I need to tell you something. I know exactly what I'm looking for. Baby, it's you.